Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best action camera on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product review video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. The new GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera is a powerful and easy-to-use tool that can capture and share your adventures. Featuring the same powerful video capture capability as the Hero 7 Black, the Hero 9 Black also features an all-new user interface and design, as well as being compatible with GoPro's Karma drone. The Hero 9 Black can record up to 4K 60 video and also takes 12MP photos. It has built-in electronic image stabilization for recording smooth, stabilized video content. The Hero 9 Black features a 2-inch touchscreen display, so you can easily frame your shots and review your footage, as well as access the GoPro app. The camera also features voice control for hands-free control of the Hero 9 Black. The Hero 9 Black is waterproof down to 33 feet with its included supersuit housing. Number 4. Insta360 One R Action Camera. The Insta360 One R Action Camera is a sports camera that captures 360-degree 4K video, is the world's smallest 4K 360-degree camera. It has been engineered to be tough, allowing you to shoot in any conditions with ease. It features a 1-inch sensor, 5.7K video resolution, and a range of accessories like a waterproof case and bike mount. Number 3. SJCAM SJ10 Pro Action Camera. The SJCAM SJ10 Pro is a great action camera that has a lot of features and is perfect for many kinds of activities. It records in 2.7K, 1080p and 720p, has Wi-Fi, records at 60 frames per second, and has a built-in gyroscope for stabilization. You can also connect it with your phone and see what the camera sees with its Wi-Fi. It also has a remote control that has a wristband, so you don't lose it and you can use the remote to change the settings of the camera. It is waterproof up to 30 meters and can take photos while underwater. The camera can record in RAW and has a rechargeable battery. The SJCAM SJ10 Pro is an excellent action camera that is a lot of fun to use. Number 2. AKASO Brave 7 Action Camera. The Brave 7 is one of the best action cameras in the market. It is designed for vloggers, travelers, and people who love to capture their special moments in life. It has a 20MP CMOS sensor that captures stunning photos and videos. The 2-inch touchscreen allows you to easily frame your shots and take pictures from the camera. The 4K video resolution, 12MP photos and 170-degree wide-angle lens will help you capture the best moments of your life. It is equipped with a 2.0 zoom lens that gives you a wider view of the surroundings. You can capture stunning videos and pictures of different subjects such as sport, family and adventure. The Brave 7 is waterproof up to 30 meters. You can record videos and capture photos underwater. The camera supports voice control. You can control the camera by saying commands such as start recording and take picture. Number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black Action Camera. GoPro Hero 10 Black Action Camera is an ideal companion for adventures with its 5.3K 30fps and 1080p 240fps video and 23MP 14fps photo capabilities. It is also a powerful tool for productions with convenient live streaming and the ability to create professional quality videos such as time-lapse films and hyperlapse videos with a single click. The GoPro Hero 10 Black Action Camera comes with a sleek design and a touchscreen that makes it easy to frame and shoot photos and videos. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product review video from the channel.